Top 5 skills to crush it in 2025. You guys, the world is changing faster than ever. It's insane. What worked yesterday is irrelevant today. Want to stay ahead? You gotta be learning, growing, hustling every single day. The job market is no different. New skills are hot, old skills are, well, not. That's why I'm dropping the truth bomb on the top 5 skills to level up your career in 2025. No fluff, just pure, actionable advice. You ready? Let's go! Artificial intelligence, your future is now. Look, AI isn't science fiction anymore. It's here, it's real, and it's eating the world. We're talking self-driving cars, algorithms predicting your next purchase, machines learning faster than humans. Crazy, right? But here's the thing, this is huge opportunity knocking. Companies are desperate for people who understand AI and machine learning. Why? Because these skills automate tasks, analyze mountains of data, and give businesses a serious competitive edge. Think about it. You can be the one building the future, not just living in it. So where do you start? Easy. Jump into online courses, Coursera, EDX, you name it. Get your hands dirty. Build something. Break something. Learn by doing. The more you put in, the more you get out. It's that simple. Don't be intimidated by the tech. Embrace it. Own it. It's your ticket to the big leagues. Data is king. Become the data whisperer. Data, my friends, is the new oil. It's everywhere. But just like oil, it's useless without the right tools to refine it. That's where you come in. Data analysis and visualization are skills that are hotter than ever. Why? Because companies need people who can take raw data, make sense of it, and turn it into actionable insights. Think about it. Every decision a business makes, from marketing campaigns to product development, relies on data. If you can be the one who unlocks those insights, you become invaluable. So, how do you become the data whisperer? Master the tools. Excel is your best friend. Power BI, Tableau, these are your weapons of choice. And if you want to level up even further, learn Python or R. These programming languages give you the power to do some serious data crunching. Trust me, the more you understand data, the more valuable you become. It's like having a superpower in the business world. Chapter 3. Digital marketing, own the online world. Listen up, the internet isn't going anywhere. In fact, it's eating the world faster than ever. Every business, big or small, needs to be online. And that means one thing, digital marketing skills are more valuable than gold. We're talking SEO, social media, email marketing, the whole 9 yards. If you can master these skills, you can write your own ticket. Why? Because you become the bridge between businesses and their customers online. You control the message, you drive the traffic, you generate the leads. The best part? You don't need a fancy degree to get started. Platforms like HubSpot Academy and Google Digital Garage offer amazing free resources. Consume everything you can. Experiment, test, analyze. The online world is constantly changing, so you gotta be agile, you gotta be adaptable, you gotta be hungry to learn. But the rewards, they're massive. Chapter 4, Cybersecurity, Become the Digital Guardian. Let's face it, the internet can be a scary place. Data breaches, hacks, cyber attacks, it's enough to keep you up at night. But here's the good news. This constant threat creates a huge demand for cybersecurity experts. Think about it. Every company, every organization, everyone with data needs protection. They need a digital guardian. That could be you. Now, cybersecurity might sound intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. Start with the basics. Learn about firewalls, encryption, and ethical hacking. Get certified. CompTIA Security Plus, Certified Ethical Hacker, CEH. These are your badges of honor. As you dive deeper, you can specialize in areas like network security, data forensics, or even become a white hat hacker, ethically testing systems to find vulnerabilities. The point is, the more you know about cybersecurity, the more valuable you become. You'll be in high demand, command a great salary, and sleep soundly knowing you're protecting the digital world. Chapter 5, Emotional Intelligence, the Secret Weapon. Look, I'm all about hustle, about crushing it, about outworking everyone else, but even the hardest worker needs the right mindset, the right attitude, the right emotional intelligence. This isn't some soft, fluffy skill. This is about understanding yourself, understanding others, and building strong, meaningful relationships. Think about it. How you communicate, how you handle stress, how you navigate conflict, it all impacts your success. Emotional intelligence, or EQ, is what separates the good from the great. So how do you level up your EQ? It starts with self-awareness. Understand your strengths, your weaknesses, your triggers. Practice empathy. Put yourself in other people's shoes. Learn to listen actively, really listen, and respond thoughtfully. Trust me, mastering EQ will not only make you a better professional, it'll make you a better human being. And that's a win-win in my book. There you have it, my friends. The top 5 skills to dominate in 2025. Remember, the job market is a battlefield. You gotta be prepared, you gotta be adaptable, you gotta be hungry to learn. Investing in these skills isn't just about getting ahead, it's about unlocking your potential, about creating a life you're obsessed with. So which skill are you most fired up about? Drop it in the comments below. And don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring that bell so you never miss an update. Keep hustling, keep learning, keep crushing it.